This is my first ever YouTube video, and I'm just wanted to share my experiences with the Devo F7 FPV system and the modifications I've made to make it actually a flyable, enjoyable experience. The first thing I did was crack open the F7 and I found a bi-quad bow tie video receiver antenna. Looks like the exact same one they use in the Hubsan system, but they mounted it right here. And if you crack it open and look, there's quite a bit of metal, and so I wasn't happy with the transmission I was receiving. So I added a IPX to RP SMA connector and tapped into the top of my transmitter here, where I mounted a Foxtech. I think this is a skew planar wheel antenna. You can move it around for better reception and whatnot. On the video transmitter side, I ordered a 5.8 400 milliwatt Foxtech 400 milliwatt transmitter with a matching Cloverleaf video transmitter antenna, and then I am using my GoPro as the video source, and not a whole lot of soldering involved, but I did have to add a solder connection on the band pod 4 to change the band from E to match the Walkera's B band system. When I first received the system, I was only getting around 30 meters of flyable range, and the latency was so bad I didn't want to trust my craft to fly on solely the LCD, because A, 3.5 inches is really small, and B, the quality was terrible with not only the lag but also the Walkera DVO4 camera. While it recorded pretty well, it seems like the resolution was toned down to the controller to the point where it was so grainy I couldn't really tell where I was flying and make out the terrain. So with these modifications of changing the video input source to a GoPro Hero 3, changing out the video transmitter from the Walkera 200 milliwatt to the 400 watt Foxtech, and adding a better video receiving antenna from the factory bi-quad to a skew and planar, I'm now able to fly at over 600 meters with solid, usable, FPV flyable video transmission. That's all I have. I'm open for any sort of advice or input. I've only been flying FPV for around a month now, and I've only been flying RCs for about 3 months, so I'm definitely one of the greenest flyers I know. I'm still learning on how to better wire up this mess in here to try to minimize some of the interference I'm getting on the 2.4 and 5.8 systems. Yeah, well, thanks for watching, and please offer any suggestions and advice. But I'm now happy with the Devo F7. As I said, I'm getting over 600 meters. I haven't pushed it any further. That video was solid. Thank you.